let's make some of these changes. So update looks good, right? So the view history is like fully implemented, which is kind of scary. And view main is almost actually its update right now does nothing, but we have some actions connected to confirm and nullify. So we just keep it at this level. So let's go to the controller, and the controller says New Year resolution data confirm. So we switch to the data class and add some of these operations, right? So we need to say operations, and our operations on our data is so we're going to say confirm, right? Confirm. So what does the confirm return back? Confirm returns back a string, right? Okay, so the confirm returns back a string. Confirm returns back a string. String confirm. String confirm. This is public, right? Public method confirm right there, right? So what it'll do is it's gonna go and say if, right? If this array list of unconfirmed resolutions, right? Unconfirmed resolution dot size greater than 0. If there are any unconfirmed resolutions, then what? Then we're gonna say that we need to take the first one out. So we say string, right? String first. How about that? String first equals unconfirmed resolutions, right? And basically say get, and get by index, and just simply get item number 0, which is the first one. So this is first item on the list, guaranteed, and we already checked that it's present, so the size is greater than 0, so it's safe to say get 0 and get the first item. Then we can say that we can say confirm resolutions, right? Confirm resolutions right there. Confirm resolutions dot add, right? And we're going to add this first to the list of confirmed ones, right? So now we have the list of confirmed resolutions updated with the first item there, and the first item is taken out of unconfirmed resolutions. And then I believe that we can say unconfirmed resolutions, we need to remove it, right? We just added it to the confirmed resolutions, but now we need to say unconfirmed resolutions remove, and you can remove by value, right? And to remove by value, we simply say remove this first thing out, like take this out, right? So confirm, and what do we return back? We return back the first thing, right? So the first thing, this is NYR data. Whoa, one more check. So this is confirm resolution. Yes, so the confirm resolution is returned, okay. And that's what we do by returning the first, and we can do it this way: return. Actually, here we can say return first, right? Or otherwise, we can just return no resolutions, no unconfirmed resolutions. So we have some meaningful user interface, right? So we can basically tell the user, hey, either we just give you the one that we just confirmed, or there's nothing else. So nothing left. So similarly, I would say similarly, right? Very similarly, we should have a nullify method here. Nullify method does pretty much the same thing with confirm. So it just goes to the confirm resolutions and checks the size, whether anything is present there. Then how about we do the mirror of what we just did. How about we just go to the last one, right? So get the last one out of that list. And of course, to get the last one, we need to say get unconfirmed resolutions. Unconfirmed resolutions size -1, because this is the index of the last last item on list. And I'll just rearrange this so that we have a proper thing. And of course, when we say nullify, of course, we do this with the confirm resolutions, right? So we say confirm resolutions, get the last item, confirm unconfirmed resolutions, add the last item that we just retrieved, and confirm resolutions, remove last, okay? Just say remove, and it's going to do this by object address, locate that object and remove it, and of course return the last one, which was just nullified, okay? And otherwise, it'll say no confirmed resolutions to nullify, or whatever, to nullify. Something like that. So we have nullify, and we have one more responsibility of this class is simply to provide access to, occasionally provide access to the, I think it's, what is it? Get unconfirmed, view main update. Yes, we need to update the main view with unconfirmed resolutions, okay? So we're going to do that. We just add this method here, right? So the data object will have one more method named. So it's another public. It returns back, of course, the whole array list of strings, right? Array list of strings. And the name of the method is get unconfirmed, okay? And that's all that it returns, and it just simply says return unconfirmed resolutions, so that we allow this temporary access to the list of strings which represent unconfirmed resolutions in case if the main view wants to be updated, it'll be able to essentially say, okay, give me those unconfirmed resolutions. I will refresh my view. And so this is why we need to have this getter that returns the entire collection. Of course, this unconfirmed resolutions is actually the array list of strings. Okay, so this is the array list of strings. Okay, after making so many different changes, I always feel like I'm about to fly an aircraft which is really still not finished and part of its engine is missing, whatever. But let's give it a try, right? Just run it. So actually, it does start like that, right? So if I say oops. It tells me in a history window, hey, nullified, no confirmed resolutions to nullify. So now I can say clear, and I can say hide, right? So oops, again, same thing happens. This time I don't clear, I just say hide. I say oops, one more time, I just keep accumulating. Now, if I don't hide this window, but keep clicking this button, see what happens? It just gets updated. It just gets updated, which is kind of cool, right? So then I just say kind of clear. So the plumbing is already in place, and this is good because we want, this is the challenge in projects like this. Essentially, when you have graphical user interface, when you have a requirement, and it should be your own requirement, not someone else's, your own requirement to keep your architecture in format of model view controller, you can see that I have a very clear designation, like only the data object can work with the actual array lists, right? It's not the controller. The controller only tells the data object, do your thing. We want to make this change, like nullify or confirm, right? And then, of course, the views really do correlate pretty well. And we have multiple views of the same. Confirm, although I don't have any labels here, no labels here, but if I say confirm, there you go. It says confirm, do more coding. Confirm, create a new video game. Confirm, exercise more. Confirm, make a super MS-DOS gaming machine, and no more things left to do, right? So if I keep confirm, but then I say oops, right? So oops and oops crashes, which is good, right? So there's something here for us to debug. Very interesting. Let's stop this segment.